Hello friends, welcome to my channel ICT by Ruchi. So today we will do the chapter 3 uses of computer of National Cyber Olympiad of MTG book. Okay, so it is for class 1. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. So firstly we will see chapter what is all about. The chapter is uses of computer. As we can see in an image that computer is used almost everywhere: education, medical, science, business. Now we have to think in education what from which, like in education, for what purpose it will be used. As we know that education in a schools, in colleges, in institution, it will be used for like making mark sheet, report cards, timetable making, right? In medical, computer is used for like we are generating the bills, we are watching the patient reports, patient x-rays. We watch computers in hospitals. Science field science field, it can be used for a technological purpose, for whether for some, some scientific invention, some discovery. So computer is used in science field there. Last is a business field. Like we can see businesses happen in a bank and offices. So what is the use of computer in a business field? In a banks it is used for updating the passbook, it is used working with the softwares. Okay. And like if in office, it will, like in a shopping malls is a business, computer is used to generate a bill, to find out the items, their price. For shopping, like we do shopping on Amazon, Flipkart, that is online business, shopping, purchasing. So this chapter is all about uses of computer in different fields. Okay, clear? So let's start the questions. Which of the following pictures does not show the use of computer? Very easy, give me the answer. Option is D, we cannot play using a computer. Okay, in all the three options somebody is working on a computer, and D is outdoor, people are playing tennis. Next question, which of the following tasks of a TV can be performed by a computer? 1 minute. Which of the following tasks of a TV can be performed by a computer? A, playing movies, B, playing music, C, managing value, D, all of this. Tell me the answer. Answer is D, all of these. TV and computer both have a monitor in which we can watch the movies, we can play music, and we can manage the volume up and down. Okay, monitor is like a TV and it is performed by a computer. Okay, next, select the correct statement. A, song can be played using a computer. B, a computer can be used to solve sums. C, we use pencil and paper to draw in a computer. D, both A and B. Answer is D, because song, we can play songs on a computer, we can solve the sum using computer, but we cannot use pencil and paper on a computer. We use pencil and paper on our like drawing sheet. Okay, next question. In hospital, computer are used to store data about patient, sell tickets, C, record TV shows, or D, monitor flight timings. Tell me the answer quickly. Answer is store data about patients, because we know hospital has a patient. So computer work in a hospital is to store data about patient. Sell ticket will be used in movie theaters. Record TV show will be used in entertainment, in movies. D, monitor flight timings will be used in airport. Like, next question, which of the following games can be played on a computer? Racing, cricket, basketball, or all of these? Tell me the answer quickly. We play games on a computer, we install a software, we install apps and play, and some games we play outdoor. Answer is D, all of these. We have an app, we have a software, so we can play any game virtually. Today time is digital time, digital world. Next question, which of the following is done on a computer for fun? A, solving sum, B, selling tickets, C, playing games, D, both A and B. Give me the answer quickly. Answer is C. Playing games is done on a computer for fun. It's because solving sum is for education, selling tickets is a business. Okay? Next question. Solving sum on a computer is dash. A. Slow and time consuming. B. Difficult and time consuming. C. Easy and fast. Or D. Difficult and slow. Give me the answer. Very easy question. Answer is C. It's easy and fast. Next question. Mohit the pilot says that a computer helps him to dash. Play outdoor games on a plane. B. Send and receive games. C. Control and monitor the flight. And D. All of this. So what does a pilot say? Computer help a pilot in which ways? Tell me the answer. Answer is C. A pilot use computer for controlling and monitoring the flight. Okay, he cannot play outdoor games on a plane and he cannot send and receive games. Okay, so computer helping in flight timings monitoring. Next question. Which of the following can be prepared using computer in a school? A. Timetable. B. Results. C. Student report. Or D. All of these. Very easy. Tell me the answer very soon. Answer is D. All of these. Next question. Given image shown that the computers are used at dash for dash purpose. A. So we have to firstly find out place where computer is used, and the second fill in the blanks for which purpose computer is used for that play. So we have to find the pairing, like option A school billing, option B supermarket billing, option C hospital flying, option D colleges drawing. Tell me the answer soon. Answer is B. Why? Like we will choose other option. D college drawing. So do we use computer in colleges for drawing purpose? No. Hospital flying. Flying happen in a hospital? No. Flying help in airport, and we do hospital patient management. Okay. Next is supermarket billing. Yes, we purchase the item from supermarket and computer helps it to generate a bill. And school billing, no. School is education. We make reports, results, timetable. So we have to find it most appropriate option. So the most option which is close to the answer is supermarket billing. Next question. Computer in home cannot be used for A. Typing, B. Watching movies, C. Playing games, or D. Updating passbook. So where is passbook updated? Just a hint. Tell me the answer very soon. Answer is D. Because passbooks are updated in bank, not in home. Next question. In which of the following areas computer is not used for education? A. School, B. Colleges, C. Homes, D. Banks. So answer is, tell me, education, school, college, home, or bank where computer is not used. Answer is D. Bank, because we do education in school, college, and home, but we do not do education in bank. In a bank we do money things related to money. Next question. Which of the following type of a computer can be used while traveling? A. Desktop, B. Laptop, C. Phone. A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. Only 3, D. Both 2 and 3. The type of a computer which we can use when we travel from one place to another. Tell me the answers very quick. Answer is D. Phone can be used while traveling. Next question. With the help of a computer, you can dash. Take printout, search information, book tickets, all of these. So the option is, tell me the answer. Computer usage. Answer is D. We can help of a computer, we can take printout in our home, search information in Google, book tickets in shopping mall or Ola Uber, right? Railways, aeroplane tickets. Next question. We watch dash on a computer. Cartoon, movie, music, or both A and B. Tell me the answer soon. Answer is D. Both A and B. We can watch cartoon and movies on monitor on computer. but we cannot watch music, we listen to the music. Okay, next question. Find the number of activities which can be done in a computer hidden in a given word grid. This question is time consuming. This is from Achiever section. So do it. Like activities which we can do in a computer. Like we can play in a computer, we can type in a computer, we can watch in a computer, we can listen to computer, we can take printout in a computer. So we have to firstly find out the activities which is there in a given grid and count their number 1, 3, 5 or 7. Tell me the answer. Answer is B, 3. You can see I have marked a line: playing, drawing and typing. Okay. Next question. Select the incorrect match regarding the use of a computer. A. Offices, taking printout. B. Schools, diagnosing diseases. C. Bank, printing passbook. D. Railway, booking tickets. We have to find the incorrect match. So, computer used in office for taking printout or not. In school, computer is using for diagnosis disease or not. In bank, it is used for printing passbook or not. Or D. Railways, computer is used for booking tickets or not. Tell me which is incorrect. Answer is school. Diagnosing diseases, because disease are diagnosed in hospital, not in school. Next, select the word which when unscrambled gives the name of a place where computers are used. So SMUS, Volse, Nabec, Bohm. So we have to firstly unjumble it, unscramble this letter and make a word and then find out if computer is used there or not. It's little bit tricky, little bit time consuming for grade 1, but with the practice you will be able to do this very soon. So practice it. Firstly unjumble A, B, C, D options and see what word is coming. Answer is C, NABK. It makes bank. You know, computers are used in a bank. Okay. Option A is, tell me which word is forming from the option A, B, D. So, okay. So let's leave it. Next question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? Cover of books is designed using computer. Newspaper are printed with the help of computer. Computers are used for making building layout. Or option D, at department store, computers are used for making toys. Which is incorrect? Tell me the answer. Answer is D. Department store computers are used for making toys. Because this is wrong. Toys are made using machine in a factories, not in a department store. Option A is correct. We can design computer book cover in paint, right? B, newspaper can be printed using computer because we can do typing, designing using newspaper. C option, computer can be used for making building layout, like we have advanced software which help us in making building photos, like building layout, building map. Last question. Which of the following figure shows the correct way of drawing pictures in a computer? A, B, C, D. Tell me the answer very soon. Answer is C. You can see A and B are incorrect because you cannot draw on a computer using pencil or paintbrush. We can draw pictures on a computer using a mouse. Okay. So in the C option, picture is drawn using a mouse on a paint software. Okay. Thank you. Hope you like this video. If you like this, subscribe my channel. All the chapters class 1 to class 10, all the computer last year sample paper, Olympiads are in my channel.